We'll guide you through how to use text transform effect in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion on your device. Once the app is ready, press the Create New Project button to start a new project. Set the project according to your needs by choosing the settings that you want to use. After you have finished adjusting the project settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the available options, select Text to add a new text layer to your timeline. Type your desired text into the text box. After entering the text, adjust the alignment, font, size, and text color according to your preference. Once your text is ready, open the Effect browser for the selected text layer. Inside the Effect browser, go to the Text category to view the available text effects. Scroll through the list until you find the Text Transform effect. Select the Text Transform effect to add it to your text layer. After the effect has been applied, open its settings to view the available options. The Range section allows you to control the range where the effect is applied across the text. The Transform section lets you configure the text transformation according to your needs. The Visual Attributes section allows you to change the text color through the effect settings. The Interpolation and Easing section lets you control how the text animation eases in or eases out during the transformation. You can also use the Random Order option to make the animation follow a random sequence instead of the default order. Review each setting and adjust the available options according to the result that you want to achieve. When you have finished adjusting the settings, your text transform effect is ready to use. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully added and used the text transform effect in Alight Motion.